Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Game and Tech Tuber. Today I am going to post a video about teespring. If you are a good designer, you could earn money by designing and writing codes on your t-shirts, phone case, phone cover and all. As I said, go to Google, search teespring. Okay, if you are a YouTuber like me, you could create merch, t-shirt designs and all. I have an official merch, link in the description below. uh, Phone case cover you could design and you could buy also. You could design yourself and buy your designs. One important thing is that it is only exporting in Europe and US. Click get started now. If you click that, you will see this interface. Write your email and password. Okay, there are three options: sell, track my purchases, order custom products. In order custom products, you can design yourself and order that. Create and sell means create your design and sell. Now this is important. There are 5 options: other, organization, design, content creator. If you are a content creator like me, you can click that. Now I am pressing designer. You can write t-shirts on a business, YouTube merch and all. Name your store. You can name any store. So I am naming my store. So once you write your name, your store, you will see in this interface. You could name your logo, header, banner. So I'm not doing that. You could. So press that, create a product. You could do on anything: pillow, cover, phone case. As COVID-19 is there, they are also doing masks and all. Stay safe, stay home. Okay, now I'm doing t-shirts. So there are so many types of t-shirts. I'm pressing that colorful one. So this is important. This is the main thing. It is doing an expensive cloth, type of cloth you need. If you need high quality cloth, it is very expensive. Low, cheap. Keep in middle. If you buying, press buy. If you are selling it, sell. Press sell. So this is the interface that we are going to design. I am going to show a tool that you could design pictures, design pictures, codes, fonts and all. Name is Snapper. Link in the description below. You could create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram stories and all designs. It is free for 1 month. Name is Snapper. Link in the description below. Okay, I'm not doing that. Teespring is providing their own designing tool, so I'm doing that. Place a if you're placing a photo, place a high quality photo, or else it will show like poor graphics and all. You can select fonts. So this font has no heading, so I'm changing my fonts. could change color and all. Make sure you have a PayPal bank account. You can rename it anything you want, so I am underlining it. You can design your shirt in front and back. Now I am designing front. You can choose any color in your letters. I am choosing brown, pink. So as you see in Amazon and all, you could create in any color. So I am choosing 5 colors. Don't choose over much color. Choose only 5 colors or less. So I am taking blue as my default color. So choose your price. Not too expensive, not too cheap. Keep in middle. And that green letters thing show you the profit. Okay, write your price in Europe and US. They will only, as I said, they will only export to Europe and US. Keep in mind. Okay, so you will see in this interface. This interface means you can do extra works as socks, bags. In socks, you cannot do like you will put in your shoes, so you can do in bags. I am doing in jackets, coats, jackets. You can do in shirts, leggings, pants, and all. So I'm taking jacket. So click that, and you see that blue letter, no, edit. Press that, or else it will be coming like text, text in your shirt. So don't have happening it. Make sure you press edit. Okay. Okay. Now it came as like this. Choose your color. I am doing back also. This is front. The jackets also you should change price and colors. So after that, press continue. If you are choosing 4 items such as bags, socks, cups and all, make sure you edit all of them. Okay? Or else if you edit one item, the other items will show as text. Okay? Name your title. Make it interesting and show attractive titles. You can write your description. So after that, there is one link, no, URL. That is the Game and Tech Tips for official match. Make it short. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, press continue. So this verifying 3 steps. As I said, make sure you have a PayPal bank account. They will take 20% and you can earn 80%. They will produce the cloth, they will export. You just need to design it. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe my video. I will be doing more of these videos. And this is all. Thank you for watching.